Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm sharing with you my favorite cookie recipe of all time. And I've got a lot of cookie recipes on my channel, but this is a different type of cookie. Sometimes you want like a brownie cookie and sometimes you want like caramel cookie or a peanut butter one. This one is like, it's like an oat cookie, but it's an oat cookie that's delicious and it's chewy and it's crispy and crumbly and like all of the amazing things that you want in a cookie. And it's got choc chips as well. And it's made using a nut butter, like a walnut butter, as opposed to using a margarine. And margarines, in my opinion, I mean, like, you can use them every now and again, but I don't think it's great to have margarine all the time. So these cookies are, in my opinion, they're a little bit healthier because they have oats in them. And oats are really, really good for you, and it's just like a really great way to get your iron in if you're a vegan. And besides that, it's a delicious cookie, and it's one of those ones that you don't feel super guilty eating it, or eating 100 of them. Yeah, you don't feel super guilty eating it, and it tastes delicious, and I hope you enjoy the recipe.
The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. My oven is fan force, so I preheated it to 170. Then you're going to line 2 baking trays with baking paper. And then I'm going to have all the ingredients in the description below with all the measurements, but these are all the ingredients you're going to need. So basically, yeah, just 6 ingredients. It's a super simple recipe. So to make the oat flour, I just put the oats in a food processor and blend until it's a fine meal, so probably only about 20 seconds. And then I put that off to the side, and then I add the nuts. So I'm using a combination of walnuts and pecans. And you're just going to blend that for about 30 seconds until it's also a fine meal. So you don't want it to be a nut butter, obviously. You still want it to be crumbly and dry. So yeah, about 30 seconds. And then you're going to add the maple syrup and the vanilla essence and blend again for another 30 seconds to a minute until it's a really creamy consistency and it looks more like a nut butter. And then to your oat flour, you're going to add the baking soda, and I just use a fork to get rid of any lumps and just mix that all together. And then you're going to add this mixture to the wet mixture, the nut butter mixture, and then you're going to add everything else, so the oats and the choc chips, and then mix that all together. So then you're just going to drop tablespoon-sized portions onto your baking tray, and I'm just using a little bit of water here to flatten them out and fix up the shape a little bit. This is optional, but I like a flatter cookie. And then you're going to bake them in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until they're golden. And then when you take them out, you're going to leave them on the tray for 5 minutes, and then after 5 minutes you can put them on a baking rack to cool down completely.
So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's a recipe on the... Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm sharing with you a recipe, and this recipe is my favorite recipe for cookies. Recipe for cookies? Cookie recipe. God, so good. And so you're getting the benefit of the nut butter, which is like super healthy because it's made with nuts, and nuts are amazing. Oh my god, Alex. Oh my god. So they're an oat cookie and blah blah blah.